The MSIS program really helped me transition and really set myself up. So I had a year to, one, gain the skill sets and dive more deep into those specific skill sets I wanted to gain, set myself up for specific projects that I wanted to work on. The roles I was specifically applying to were data analyst roles, business intelligence analysts, and I really do feel that the programs, course projects, the outside learnings that I had, or resources that I had access to is what sort of allowed me to really develop those skill sets and showcase it for the interviews.
I think the UW MSIS program really made a fundamental change in my career trajectory. I wasn't actually planning on changing job, but as a part of the program, I was really involved in the career management program. Before I was working as a business analyst and a product manager in higher education. Now I'm working as a senior PM in the tech industry. And basically opened doors that was never possible before. And I met so many amazing people. This is a journey I do not regret.
It basically transformed my life and helped me to understand what I want to do with my career. And I was really happy about it because it's really hard when you are unsure of where to go, and when the path is not clear, it's just much harder to move forward. But those experiences during MSIS defined how easily I was able to achieve my goals.